Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Infinity Loom is probably one of the most exciting crafting tools I've come across. It's a fantastic way to dive into the world of weaving and knotting, allowing you to create stunning designs with ease. Whether you're a seasoned crafter or just starting out, this tool opens up a world of creative possibilities, from intricate patterns to simple, elegant pieces. Number 5. Authentic Knitting Board Flexee Loom Lynx Chunky. Introducing the Flexee Loom Lynx Chunky. This innovative loom lets you build the perfect size for your project. It's easy to customize and create anything you imagine. With the patent-pending links, you can snap them together to create looms of any size, up to 72 pegs. You decide the size and shape. It's all up to you. This loom is great for hats, scarves, shawls, bags, home decor, and even blankets. The possibilities are endless with this versatile tool. It's perfect for a variety of projects. The kit includes 36 links, 72 pegs, instructions, a knit hook, a stitch table, and 2 projects. It's designed for bulky yarn and is portable, so you can take it anywhere. This loom is perfect for beginner knitters. It's easy to learn and use, and you can take it with you wherever you go. Learn to knit with Flexee Loom. What we like. This loom's standout feature is its customizable size. It allows you to build the exact loom you need for any project. If you are looking for versatility and the ability to create items of various sizes, this is the perfect choice. Its large gauge is perfect for bulky yarn, making projects quick and satisfying. What people say. The way it shifts while using it, I love it, so flexible. Several pegs can hold their shape in a straight line at a time, so you can make even stitches before straightening a few more pegs for the next section of stitches to be knit. With the loom segments flexible, it's much easier to handle a larger project. Number 4. Hapinest Knitting Loom Kit for Kids. This kit has everything needed to start knitting. It includes a round knitting loom, yarn, a crochet hook, and more. It's designed to make learning fun and easy. This kit helps kids develop fine motor skills and explore their creativity. It's a great way for them to learn and have fun at the same time. It's perfect for young crafters. With the large loom and simple instructions, learning to knit is a breeze. Kids can easily make their own hats and scarves. This set is perfect for beginners. Inspire creativity with this wonderful gift idea. It's great for birthdays or holidays. They can create unique items for themselves or their friends. This kit includes everything needed for circle loom knitting. The guide and tools ensure a smooth experience. It's designed to be enjoyable for kids and beginners. What we like. This kit is designed specifically for young beginners. It includes everything needed to start knitting, making it a great choice for kids. If you have a child who loves crafts and wants to learn a new skill, this kit will provide a fun and educational experience. It is perfect for creating hats and scarves. What people say. 3 hats were made and 1 infinity scarf. Easy to follow directions. She is enjoying and learning how to make new items. This is super nice and easy to use, my granddaughter loves it. Number 3. Kit Knitting Sturdy for DIY Craft. This knitting set is made of high-quality plastic materials. It's sturdy and not easily damaged, ensuring it will last through many crafting projects. The kit is lightweight and easy to carry around. Its design makes it easy to grasp and simple to operate, making your crafting experience a breeze. You can create a variety of items with this kit. Make scarves, hats, socks, shawls, and blankets for your loved ones. The kit includes everything you need to get started. You'll receive an 8-shape knitting tool, a crochet hook, and 2 suture needles. This knitting set is designed for ease of use. It's simple to operate, allowing you to knit quickly and easily, suitable for all ages. What we like. This knitting set is made from high-quality plastic materials, ensuring durability. It is lightweight and easy to carry, making it convenient to use anywhere. If you are a beginner or someone who values simplicity and ease of use, this knitting set is ideal. It is suitable for making scarves, hats, and blankets. What people say. I absolutely love it. Because it has 5 stars. Number 2. WAYION 55 Afghan Loom Knitting Kit, pink. This knitting kit is perfect for making cozy Afghans and blankets. It allows you to create wide pieces in one go. You'll love the results. With this loom, you can knit up to 55 inches wide in a single piece. It's designed to make your projects efficient and enjoyable. The wide design makes it easy to create large items. The pegs are spaced 5/8 inch apart and are removable. This allows for flexibility in your knitting projects. It works well with all types of wool. The loom is lightweight and easy to hold, with 138 pegs. Its S shape makes it comfortable to use. It measures only 10 by 24 inches. Whether you're an experienced knitter or just starting, this loom is a great choice. It's perfect for knitting with family. It's a great tool for knitters. What we like. This loom is perfect for making large Afghans and blankets. Its S-shaped design makes it easy to hold and work with. If you are an experienced loom knitter looking to create large projects with ease, this loom is an excellent choice. It allows you to knit up to 55 inches wide in one piece. What people say. I am making a large throw blanket and have completed maybe 1/4 of it so far with absolutely no issues. The plastic used is different from my other looms, however it is sturdy. I love it. It's super easy to use, and once I learned how to keep the tension on my yarn properly, it was smooth sailing. The shape of this loom keeps my project manageable since the blanket portion is folded in half, which makes it easy to maneuver. If you use the entirety of the loom for your project, it makes a big blanket. Number 1. Authentic knitting board holder connectors for rotating loom. These connectors are designed to work with the rotating double knit loom. It allows you to easily attach any knitting loom to the rotating base. Now, your loom can rotate as you work. Simply attach the connectors to the rotating base. This kit makes it easy to connect any knitting loom. It's a simple solution for a more versatile knitting experience. The kit includes 3 loom connectors and 3 elastic bands. It easily converts the rotating double knit loom into a universal loom holder. This provides greater flexibility for your projects. With this product, any loom can rotate as you work. This feature enhances your knitting experience. It makes the process more efficient and enjoyable. The kit comes with everything you need to get started. It includes 3 loom connectors and 3 elastic bands. It's a complete solution for your knitting needs. What we like. This kit easily converts the rotating double knit loom into a universal loom holder. It allows any loom to rotate as you work. If you like the convenience of a rotating loom and want to expand your options, this kit is a must-have. It is simple to attach and use. What people say. It was super easy to set up my mid-size KB single knit loom on the base with this connector set, and the loom stays put, no sliding around or shifting. I love how each connector rotates, so you can use just about any size loom on the rotating base. I'm going to try it with my set of Flexee links as well. Brilliant design. Setup was a breeze. I followed the directions, which were easily understood, and connected my first smaller round loom. I can now use other looms with these. So all good. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.